Guys, I have rinsed my face. It gives you a keratin shine. Guys, look at this. So that is why I have got this. And I think I'm looking better than before. What do you say? Guys, look at this. I had ordered for something from Amazon and it just got delivered. Yay! Now let me show you some unboxing of this. I hope you would really like to watch it. This is actually very safe, you know. It's a brush, ironing brush actually, which we can smoothen out our hair and make it really straight. It lasts for 24 hours. It gives you a keratin shine, which is a protection. It's a kind of shine which looks healthy on your hair. And we don't use chemicals, you know. We shouldn't be using chemicals for our hair, which is not good for our hair. It damages the hair and it hampers the growth. You get more hair fall because of that. So to avoid all that, we need to use something which is safe for our hair. And I think this is good. This is Philips product. I have connected it. The light is blinking. Now I'll be testing it. I will try it on my hair and see how it works, whether it works good on my hair or not. So light has become hot. So we shouldn't be using any other comb. We should be directly using this as a comb and brush our hair all through it like this. It's feeling like a massage also to the hair, to the scalp. It's really feeling good. What do you think? Is my hair looking straight? Do you think it's working? I think it is. This is more safer, I feel, as there is less hair fall, because after the chemical thing with the chemical straightening which I did, I used to experience a lot of hair fall after that. So I decided that I should at least give this a try, this thing. I think it is quite good. Yeah, my hair is looking comparatively straighter. I guess this is a good product. And I'm happy that I bought it. Yes, with my newly straightened hair. Of course, my hair is not that curly, but it has a little bit of waves here and there. So now it has become a little tamed, you know. It has got a little tamed kind of a look now. And I think I'm looking better than before. What do you say? Please mention that in the comments below and let me know whether it's looking good or not. Let me know about it. This guy, so I had ordered for an Audio-Technica ATHM20X headphones. This gives really good
sound. That's why I had ordered for it. I love listening to music, so that is why I had ordered this.
So there is these warranty cards in this. Just take a look at this. There is a cord in it. So these are the headphones over here. This is cool, isn't it? Oh wow! So this is the best budget headphone. It has a 3.5 mm cord cable and 1/4 inch adapter, metal clingers. Look at the metal clingers in this. These are amazing. See, look at the cord attached to the metal clingers, as well as it's very comfortable. The cushions are really very soft and comfortable for the ears. And even if we keep on listening to music for around 3 hours, it doesn't give any ear fatigue. So it's really awesome for the ears and it's good for the ears. Very soft to touch. The sound isolating ear cushions are really soft to touch, and we can even keep it on one ear. It has 40 mm drivers, and it gives good depth. See, look at this. It moves as you want, you know. You can just keep moving it as you want. So the 40mm drivers gives a lot of depth to the sound, and even in full volume the sound never gets jarring. So that is why I have got this. It can be easily attached to your mobile, and this is for this rate. The rate for this is 4,250. For this rate, this is the best sound like we can get, the best headphones, very stylish looking, and the best headphones that we can get in this cost. So today I have brought one amazing tip for skincare only for guys, because guys normally don't do anything for skincare, and skincare is very important, equally important for guys too. But guys are lazy, I know that. They're very lazy. They don't like to do all these things, and they feel that girls should be doing this. But I think even guys need to do a lot of skin care, and they should take care of their skin. Even they should look young for a longer time, isn't it? I have got a very easy tip for them, which they can just do anytime they feel like. Just a chopped tomato like this. If you have tomatoes in your fridge, just chop it into half like this and apply it to your skin all over, like this. Apply it like this to your skin, your eyes, your under eyes, your nose, your chin, your neck. If you have a beard, then you can skip that. Even girls can do this. I do this. I apply it to all the guys I know. That is my husband, my brother, and you can just apply it all over. If it is a little cold, if it is a little refrigerated if you remove it from the refrigerator, it's actually a cold tomato, so you can apply a cold slice, and that feels really soothing on the skin. It soothes the skin a lot because it's very cold, yeah, that feels good. Now keep this on your skin for 10 minutes. Keep it for 10 minutes. Apply it before you go for a bath or something, or after you come back from outside, you can just apply it. Keep it for 5 to 10 minutes, but 5 minutes you have to keep it. The minimum you have to keep it is for 5 minutes, or maximum you can keep it for 10 minutes. But after 10 minutes, just wash it off, rinse it off quickly with normal water, with tap water, and after that you can see in a month or so, skin will start glowing, and all the pores, the exposed pores, will start easing out. Everything will look like one single patch of skin, So to get that effect, you can do this, and it really works, I have done this myself. That's why I'm suggesting it to you. Let me go and wash my face. So guys, I have rinsed my face. Look at this. I've removed all those. I waited for 10 minutes and removed all those tomato massaging which I did on my face. And see, my skin is really looking so smooth and healthy. It's really looking amazing. I'm feeling fresh also. And every time I do this, especially when we come back from outside, do this at home and try. And let me know, how did you feel? How did you like it? I would like to know your experience. Comments below. So let me know your experience, and let me know how did you feel about this entire thing.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, simply city.